What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back for another video. And this video is all about the yard. Yes, this dilapidated, pitiful, sorry excuse for a yard is mine, and not proud to say that it is. However, it is. And what am I going to do about it? I'm going to change it, okay? It's not just about complaining, but it's about making a change. Now, make a change to this catastrophe, okay? When we first moved here, we're not even a whole year into living in this home. It was just a lot. It was a lot. And I thought that it was actual grass in this yard, only to find out there's a lot of weeds. And even when I tried to do the whole video where I sprayed it and things like that and mowed it and all of that, like, okay, it's time out for just looking at this pitiful excuse for a yard and saying it's a yard and just really take responsibility for what's taking place. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mow the lawn. Okay, I'm going to make it very low. And then I am going to use a, what's this thing called? Hopefully the name is on it. Yes, I'm going to use a Thatcher. Okay, that's what that is there. First mow it with my Ryobi, of course, electric lawnmower. Shouts out to Home Depot. And then I have a dethatcher, which a dethatcher is all about getting the dead grass up from the root bed and all that good stuff. So the idea and the hope is that once I dethatch the yard, then I will be able to plant seeds out in this yard and turn it into something beautiful and something to be proud of. This is also a part of my yard as well, which doesn't look great at all. So I'm gonna plant some seed. And if you're wondering what kind of seed I'm gonna plant, I'm actually going to plant Zoysia Grass. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Zoysia. I'm gonna put the name up. Zoysia Grass. That is the name of the grass that I will be using and planting in my yard. I'm excited about it. And so, you know, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get this part done, which the first part is mowing the lawn first. And then I'm gonna hit it with the Thatcher, show y'all what that looks like. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little weed and feed. I mean, why not? I think it's okay. And then I'm gonna put the seed. And then hopefully it rains, which is supposed to rain for the rest of the week. And hopefully more rain comes. And then we'll be good to go, right? All right, so let me go ahead and get this process started with the mowing of the grass, and then we'll go from there, all right? All right, beautiful people, so now that that is done, I'm already hot and a little sweaty. It's very humid out here, but I wanted to show y'all boom, these clippings. I have a whole trash can full of clippings, which I will use in the compost bin for all of my gardeners that also watch this channel. And that is what you can do when you're looking for compost and things like that. Grass clippings are plentiful once you cut your grass. And also a tip for my garden people, you can use grass clippings on the surface level of your garden beds just to keep a nice insulation, water moisture barrier, and things like that for your plants, crops, seedlings, or whatever you have in your garden. So that's just a little tool for my people that also garden that watch this channel. However, I have that part done. Now I'm going to use the dethatcher, which I never used before. Shouts out to my brother Chris, who allowed me to use his dethatcher because he's very particular about his yard. He has St. Augustine grass at his yard at his house. So whatever, I said that just to share with y'all what's going on here in Florida. Anyway, I'm about to use this as Thatcher, hopefully pull up a lot of dead grass that I too will be able to use in my compost bin. And yeah, then I can weed and feed, then I can seed. Weed and feed, then I can seed. Alright, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. There is so much fun and unique things that take place with the Jones family. Don't keep up with the Jones, DKUJ, the family just for you. All right, so make sure you subscribe and don't leave, because you know the idea with this Thatcher is that not only will it get up the dead grass, but my hope is that it will leave holes and, you know, just aerate the ground enough that when I drop my seeds, they will fall on good ground. So that's also my goal and desire as well. So be sure to stick around to see if that actually takes place at the end of the journey. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this detaching. Alright, so multiple things I learned while dethatching the yard. I don't know why I thought the way I thought it would work out the way I thought it would. However, I'm seeing like different patches of like grass just like sitting out here. Of course, that is the old dead grass, the thatch grass that just was scooped up by the Thatcher. Random places. Now, I wasn't thinking about it like, well, the way I thought it worked is that just like a lawnmower, you go over it and it catches it in the back. There's no catcher. So I think now I'm gonna have to go through with a little rake situation and gather all of the thatched grass. So I wasn't looking forward to doing that at all. However, I think that's what you have to do in order to get up the thatched grass. So I have my little situation here, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. I'm already hot. But it's all good because work has to get done. I want my grass green. Just have to do what I have to do. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through the yard with that bad boy. Rake, shovel, thingy thing. No, it's not a shovel, but the little rake fork thing, okay? That's what it's gonna be called today. The rake, fork, shovel thing. And get all the thatch grass up, and then I'll do that area, and we'll go from there. Yep. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now that I have that done, I'm very satisfied, first off. And I don't know if you noticed the way in which I was going about it. I was doing like a little circular motion. So when you like rake it up, do a circular motion. Don't feel like you have to like go line by line, but get you a circle, rake around in that circle, bring all your thatched grass together into a pile. That then you just have to go and scoop the piles, put it in the trash bin. So this is my pile of dethatched grass, which is a lot. I mean, it's the first time it's ever been done in this home, I'm sure. And then this is, of course, is my grass clipping. So, you know, I feel like a day's work has been accomplished. However, I'm only halfway done. Thank God my yard isn't huge like others that I see doing such projects as these. But nonetheless, I mean, it's work. I mean, it's not easy. But it's funny because you don't see a lot of green anymore. You see a lot of dirt, and that's because it wasn't grass. I told y'all before it was a lot of weeds, and now you're going to see what these weeds actually look like when they're pulled up, dethatched, thatched, and all that good stuff. So this is the remnants of the yard that I had before, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the weed and feed. And then after spraying the weed and feed, I'm gonna lay down these seeds, which I don't have the seeds now. So I think I'm gonna go and get the seeds right now because it looks like it wants to rain. It hasn't started raining, but I wanna go ahead and get things in the ground before the rain actually does come today. So that is what I'm gonna do. And yeah, man, so again, hopefully we'll be together during the end of this. If not, you knew what took place. I'll double back and give you all like incremental week progression and things like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these seeds. All right, beautiful people. So I was able to do my seeding today, which I'm so excited about because it is raining here. So I was able to do everything right before it rained. Praise the Lord. So I was able to, do all the things. So this is the seed that I bought. So boom, this is the Zoysia Grass that I did end up picking up from Home Depot. I was going there expecting to get Scott's, however, Scott's was sold out and Pennington was there. So I do have the Zenith Zoysia Grass, and I'm so excited about what it will look like, what it will be, because it's very low maintenance, as I've done my research to find out. And if you're interested in Zoysia grass, it is a grass that can be cut on levels 2 inches up to 4 inches. So it does give you a lot of wiggle room and playroom when cutting your grass, which also dictates how often you cut your grass for those who know about grass. Anyway, that is what that is all about. And then, of course, all my lawn care nuts. You all know about the Milorganite, the superhero to each and every grass. I put that down. I first put down the Zoysia Grass, then I put down the Milorganite, and yeah, I'm gonna let nature, i.e. rain, do its thing. And hey, it says it's supposed to be on and popping between 14 and 21 days, so I'm very excited to see what that will look like in that time frame. I'm very excited. I'm very optimistic. This is my first time growing grass. I've grown plants and vegetables and things like that, but growing grass is definitely something new that I've never done before. But I'm so excited that I get to do it here at my first house and also here with you all. So yeah, man, that capitalized the end of this video. I mean, I did the cut, I did the thrashing, I did the raking, I did the seeding, and I did the fertilizing. Like, what more could you ask for in a lawn care video? Nothing else, exactly. Well, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and be sure to do so because we have so much going on, from other lawn care videos to gardening videos to cooking videos to traveling videos to just having fun with family videos. And we also have giveaways, and in order to be a part of the giveaways, you have to be a part of this channel. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification so that you are aware when we do such things as these videos, and also giveaway videos, and just also videos in general. Okay, all that to say, be a part because you want to be a part. Okay, be a part because you want to be a part. All right, well, we love you beautiful people. Until next time, peace out.